I have this lovely Glam Squad lady working on these locks. We're doing like a half up to type of thing. So I'm really excited with some volume. Just getting all glam, and then next up is makeup. It's about to be a real good day. Today I'm here with Tiara from the Fiercely Classy.
Yes, and this is my girl Victoria. I love her.
I love her. Spirit vibes. Yes, just all the time. Woo. So makeup is done today. It's my after. Got like a little half updo kind of happening. Sunglasses on. We're about to ride this bus, and we're heading out all over Orange County to promote the Newchella event, which is happening next Sunday with the SoCal Blogger Babes. Super excited. It's such an empowering network of women supporting each other and really just rooting for each other. And so super excited to go promo, give out swag bags and giveaways, and just have a really great afternoon. So right now we got to the first stop. We are in Newport Beach at Fashion Island to start promoting for Newchella. So we got the flyer right here. Fashion Island, and we're going to Pacific City, which is Huntington Beach. Super excited, so definitely come along for our festive promo day. This is our last stop, then we're headed back to Newport Beach to wrap it all up. What a fabulous day. Yay!
So I just want to tell you guys, my name is Tiara. I go by the Fiercely Classy on Instagram. My blog is fiercelyclassy.com. I joined the Blogger Babes because I wanted to meet other babes doing what I'm doing, and they inspire me, I inspire them, and we work together, we collaborate. So it's really fun and interesting. Also, we're going to have an event next Sunday called Newchella, where it's going to be a fashion show, food, drinks. It's going to be a great time.
My name is Patricia, also known as Patty, and my Instagram is Blue Lily Pad with 2 L's. And I also have a blog, bluelilypad.com. And one of the reasons that I did started to hang out with the Blogger Babes is because I think it's very important for women that are doing the same thing to empower and to encourage each other to do something that you love to do.
We're signing off for today. It was a wonderful day out in Orange County to promote the Nutella event that's happening next Sunday, January 27th in Irvine. So we're really, really pumped about it. It's part fashion show, part convention, part just all around party with workshops and clothing and different vendors. So we're really excited about it. Thanks so much for watching and see you around.